Hello, we are Group 1 and we will now begin the presentation on the survey site program. Our Group 1 has chosen the name Web Titans and decided to work on a survey site for the project. Let me introduce our team member. Ali Kareel is the project manager. Tyler Dakin and Yeyur Choi take on roles as back-end developers. Alexandra Primatesta is a security programmer. Tanya Trunks handles the role of a database programmer. Finally, Mahan Nasil is responsible for the front-end developer roles. Now let me start by showing the functionalities of our program. When you look at the home pages and the about, home and about and contact and surveys are working very well. They are worked very well. But for survey parts, because I'm not logged in, so I cannot see the add and edit and delete button. Now I'm going to log in. Now I can see the add a survey button and edit and delete button. Let me create a survey. I will create the survey for the rent a room. So I complete the form, so I'm going to submit now. Then my survey is added in the third row. Now I'm going to edit my changes my questions by using the edit button. So I'm going to change this question to the longer one and we submit. And I will check if my change the questions in place. Yes, it works. So I'm going to resubmit. And now I'm going to use the delete button. Once I click the delete button, then the pop-up window show and ask if I'm going to delete the survey or not. So I'm going to click OK. Then my survey list, my survey is gone. So I'm going to log out. Then this direct us to the main home pages. Next, I'm going to give you brief explanations about the code. Before that, I will connect our program to the database. Now you can see my program is connected to the database. Let me first look at the app.js under the config folder. In the config folder, the app.js has different kinds of the modules that required for our program. For example, the express and path is, and then passport used for the authentication, and Among Us for the database connections. Next, I'm going to go to the controller. Index.js under the controller, you will see the code that direct us to the specific pages. For here, it directs us to the home and about and contact. And later part has a code that direct us to the specific pages and controlling our credentials. And let me take a look at the survey part. Survey controller also has the codes that direct us to the specific web pages, and also has a functions that received our information we entered in the survey form and reflected the web pages. Next, let me have a look at the model, especially the survey.js under the model. This is the schema for the survey for use of the database. And then I'm going to move to the view. View consists of auth and a parser and survey part. I'm going to take a look at the survey, the EJS files. First, let me look at the add.ejs. It shows the add users, add phone and survey name and email, and also other bunch of questions. Edit EJS also display the code for the similar form of add.ejs. And last, a list.ejs show the list after adding the new survey, or deleting new survey, or editing the survey. Yes, this is for our presentations about survey site prepared our team Web Titans. Thank you for listening.